How's it going, Bingus Patrol? 600 of you, for some goddamn reason, have subscribed to this channel. I have no idea why that is, but we're gonna do the thing that we always do. Money shot. We're just gonna take this piece of crap apart for probably the 5th time, and we're gonna put a new play button in it. Scoop it off. Yos. Looks like shit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid. Actually, should we just make a new one? We'll make a new one. Oh, that's giving me a good idea, right? We'll make the triangle out of this. Boom. Need one of these. Ah, of course, the piece de la resistance. Fuck off. The big one. The board. I'm gonna do this properly. Always cut towards yourself, kids. That's the best rule of anything. Yep. I so fucking nearly just cut myself. And Splatoon on PS. Fuck. I don't know why I thought that, but I thought the back would be empty. I didn't realise I did this on a Haribo tub. Fuck a knife. I don't need a knife. That's a play button. Okay. We have a play button. Or at least the middle of it. We actually need the button now. I have the rough dimensions of what we need. However, this looks like shit. I'm not convinced this is a very easy piece of material to work with, so I'm actually going to trim it down. Heck. Thank God for this cutting mat and this ridiculously long piece of plastic that somehow functions as a ruler. Yeah, should just snap off. Boom. Look at my fucking cutting board. Ah! How to insult an emo. Your cuts are off, mate. The fuck is up with my camera? It's having like lapses. There you fucking go, mongheads. That's how it's gonna look, right? But I'm not happy there. We're not gonna stop. We gotta bevel these curves so that it looks nicer. Okay. You know what? I've ruined this really nice fucking play button. I've ruined it. But you know what? It's not the worst thing I've ever fucking looked at. Maybe like second or third. I think my light's just gone as well, actually. Hey! Well, shit. Looks terrible, honestly. I kind of want to inlay this thing. Kind of want to bury it in the dirt, you know. Oh, I could do that, actually. I could put it in the... Could put it in the thing. That would be kind of cool. This is how we fucking do it, boys. Assuming I don't accidentally click this thing and then just send a fucking knife blade flying towards my own eyes. There we go. That's nice. So that should... Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. So now, will it fit? I used to watch Rhett and Link, like, religiously. Or every goddamn morning. I'd get my phone, and the first thing I do in the fucking morning is turn on my mythical, like, I think it was This Mythical Morning? Is it This Mythical Morning, or My Mythical Morning? I don't give a fuck. But, low-key, though, Rhett kind of looks like a soy boy. Like, I'm not gonna lie. He does just look like somebody who got a Nintendo Switch for Christmas from his wife's boyfriend. You'd argue that that Link would look more like that, but no. There we go. Boom! Oh fuck! I moved the camera. The power of Shaq compels you. Look at that. Oh, I moved it again. This brings me back. You know, this brings me back to the days of pork chop craftables. So we're gonna mount this now, I guess. We need to actually write on this thing. Okay, I have flipped my entire desk. No, I'm kidding. I flipped the camera. Okay, that's good enough. I use these a lot. They stain everything, but oh, well, that just kind of shows you, doesn't it? That's That's how much I use them. Oh, I'm out of ink. What a fucking convenient time to run out of ink. Right, no, we're cool, we're cool. Wow, it looks terrible. That's a shitload of glue. Hell yeah, the more the better. See, that's a good amount of glue. This looks like somebody's nut all over my play button. Boom! Like button smashed. Now, I have to. I of course accept this this achievement. This 600 of you. That's a lot of people. 600 people. That's a lot of people. But it begs the question: how large can we get? I mean, we could set this as an end goal. Sure, I've already reached as much as I wanted, but it's just something that makes me want to conquer the platform, you know? How about we aim for something bigger? Our armies are pretty large as it is. 600, that's a fuckload of people, to be honest. But I feel like we could be stronger. I feel like 600 may not be the largest that we can get. Here is a plan. By the end of this year, we double our people count. It's ambitious, but it's been done before. We've done it already. I assume you're all familiar with the Pyrocynical event. The one that I will never, ever talk about again. Ever. Something just makes me think that this isn't the end. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna double our subscriber count this year. Mark my words, YouTube. Ineptorange won't be so goddamn inept. That's fucking ironic. It's doable. It's doable. I of course have to thank all you 600 dudes for sticking around for so long. Why the fuck you're here, I have no idea. But you played a great part in my plans. Yeah, I've not been reliable. I haven't uploaded regularly. Fuck regularly. Fuck this mass-produced bullshit. One-off videos. This shit. Maybe not this. This won't work at all. Actually, this won't do shit. But you can help that, okay? We'll take over the site. Fuck it. If it takes 10, maybe 15 years, we'll fucking do it. Mark my words, dudes. I'm coming for you.